Hey everyone, this is Vinny with CustomWebTools.com. A lot of you know me as the Excel guy, as we have been building our logistics Excel tools for the last 16 years. As such, we have over 7,000 happy customers over the years and gathered over 150 five-star reviews on Google. And now, the same tool quality and same amazing customer service based on our clients' requests, we are bringing to the web. Customers such as you have been demanding that we build our tools for the web, and here we are. Today, I want to showcase you our tool, the Driving Distance Calculator. As with the Excel tool, my main goal is to get you the easiest to use tool of its kind. As the tool uses Google Maps API, it will give you super accurate results with an extremely easy to use interface. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to make sure you have a Google Maps API key. Your API key will be encrypted and safe, and once you enter it, it is not readable by us or even you. That ensures it is kept safe and private. Then it is as easy as either pasting your data in this form or uploading your address sets as CSV or Excel. We click Calculate, and the tool will do the rest. A couple of benefits of using the web tool. First, the result data is saved in the system and you can download it whenever you want to. Second, if you were to run the same address sets again, the tool will generate the results by looking first at our results, so you don't waste API calls and it is faster. And it is really as simple as that. Come check the driving distance calculator for a free trial. You will be pleasantly surprised. Oh, and one more thing. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with me via the chat link. No bots, just talking to me, and I will make sure to answer any questions. Simple as that. Follow the link in the description and get started calculating driving distances today. Till next time.